There's a big ass rat. Frogs. Definitely not a tourist market. First stop we're going to make here in Klong Toei is the market at Klong Toei. It's the largest wet market in Thailand. They have everything. Complete butcher shop, produce, dry goods, herbs, everything is here. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this market, and then we're going to go explore some of the neighborhoods. Let's go. The surrounding neighborhoods are considered to be the poorest in Bangkok, and some refer to them as the slums. All right, I think we found it. Little catfish. The chilies are burning my chilies cooking in the air, burning my nose, and I definitely smell seafood and other things. Holy crap, there's a lot of different smells going on right now. Woo. Look at the size of this prawn. We got crabs, clams, a little bit of everything back here. We got the full chickens back here. Probably where the octopus came from that I ate at Chatuchak Market, right here.
Chicken.
I see. I love chicken. Yeah, I like it fried. I don't know what part that is.
Ao dần. Chứ áo là tôi lì cái đuôi.
Lots of hustle and bustle. It's busy back here. Looks like they're probably preparing for a lunch. The restaurant's coming back here and getting their lunch supplies for the day. But definitely not a tourist market. Very interesting. So this whole section back there is nothing but, you know, a butcher shop. I'm actually wearing Yo Bros or Hey Dude shoes, so I'm not wading through that mess. They all got on rubber boots. But this place, man, this place is something. But yeah, amongst all the animal parts, I can smell curry cooking somewhere in the distance. Now I just have to find it. Well, I can bet that drumstick right there is fresh. And it looks tasty, so I'm gonna grab one. Like I said, I know this drumstick's fresh. Because the chickens were right up the alley. Oh yeah. That's good. Klong Toei chicken right here. Got that Klong Toei special. It was 20 baht, so 60 cents. Definitely worth it to me. Juicy, fresh. Got some kind of like marinade or seasoning on it. Oh yeah. Oh look, there's a rat. There's a big ass rat. Oh, there's a little one. Oh my goodness. See him right there? He's got something to eat. Anyway, it smells like incense and lemongrass in this section. This place is huge. It's like a city back here, so I'm not going to spend all day back here. We're going to do one more pass down this aisle up here, and then we're going to go back in the neighborhood, see if we can find us a cold chang. Fresh chilies. Ready, pop? He's a little kitty baby. Khlong. Well, you can smell those fresh chilies. Wow. So this is a real locals market. You can see families coming through here and grabbing chicken and fish to cook for dinner. Then you can see the delivery guys loading up and going to restaurants, vegetables, and other things. Very interesting.